Breathing fast, he saw other kids going past him. Breathing fast, where is he now? On the ground. Breathing fast, he looked up and he saw others just going ahead of him. Other kids, other children going ahead, going forward. He could not be a loser today, and so without wasting a second, he got up to run once more. So he cannot be a loser today. He should be a winner. So what did he do? He got up again, and without wasting any second, he started running. Being quick, Tarun overtook a few kids ahead of him. See, he was very quick. So he just overtook some more students, some more children. He overtook them. But as fate had it, he slipped once again. But fate with the destiny, as fate had it, because of the fate, he slipped one more time. He started running and he slipped one more time. He fell down. Second time, what was happening to him? What was happening to him? He could not bear it. What is happening to him? He cannot suffer it. He looked into the crowd and he saw his mother. He was saying something to him. Get up, son, get up and run. He looked into the crowd and he saw his mother. What was the mother telling? Mother was telling that, get up, son. Mother was telling, get up, son, get up and run, get up and run, get up and run. Mother was telling. Okay then Tarun got up once again. He was among the last few. See, 50 students were there and see so many others went ahead of him. Now he is just among the last few children. Okay, Tarun got up once again. But he did not give up. He was not ready to give up. Anyhow, he will try to run. Once more, he overtook some children. Again, he overtook some children. Since he was fretting a little too much, he fell a third time. Fretting, what is it? It's a little more nervous or curious. Since he was fretting a little too much, he fell a third time. In the beginning, he fell down. He got up and ran and overtook some children. Again he fell down. He got up and he ran again. Then see, for the third time, tears were rolling down his cheeks. Tears rolling down his cheeks. How will he get into Ramnarayan's training now? How will he prove to his parents that he was talented? How will he get the training? He is going to become a loser now. He won't win the race. How can he get the training? How can he prove to his father that he is not the black sheep of the family, that he is very talented? It's no way. He was the last kid on the track. He is the last one, 15th one in the track. All others went ahead. He turned his eyes towards the stands. He looked into the stands gallery. Then he heard Ramnarayan screaming somewhere, come on Tarun, run. Ramnarayan with a loud voice telling, come on Tarun, get up and run, 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 run. Who was encouraging him? Ramnarayan, the coach was encouraging. Tarun, no problem, get up and run. And he got up a third time. For the third time, he got up. This 12-year-old determined boy who was last on the track got up and ran with all the strength he got. He got up once again. He ran, determined to win the race, confident to win the race. He was the last one. He got up again. He ran with all the energy he had. The crowd was cheering for Pavan, the boy who had won the race. But see, who won the race? Pavan won the race. And the crowd was cheering up, clapping. The crowd was clapping. For whom? For Pavan. Who was the winner in the race? Pavan became the champion there. And people were just cheering for him. But to Tarun's surprise, there was a louder applause when he crossed the finishing line last. Pavan crossed the finishing line. People of course clapped. But when Tarun crossed the finishing line, people were giving a great applause, a louder applause. The audience stood up and cheered for his determination and his value for not giving up. The audience clapped their hands for his determination. He fell down thrice. He got up and he crossed the finishing line. And the people were very happy and encouraging him for his never giving up spirit, for his passion. So they just clapped their hands. He bowed his head with shame and said to Ram Narayan, I am sorry, sir, I lost. He bowed his head and told Ram Narayan, sorry, sir, I lost. I am sorry, I lost the game. I am very sorry. I didn't expect this one. I am sorry. Then, no, son, to me, you won the toughest race, the race of your life. You got up and started afresh each time you fell. You are a real life hero. Your training starts tomorrow. It's very surprising. Tarun has been training hard to do his best in the race, in spite of falling, by getting up again and again to complete the race. So Ramnarayan thought that Tarun might face problems in his life, problems of his life too, in the same manner as he faced this race with determination and willpower. Such persons will meet with success. Tarun was such a real life hero. So you are a real hero. Your training starts tomorrow. I will train you from tomorrow onwards. Tarun could not believe his ears. Didn't expect this. It's unbelievable for Tarun. He could not believe his ears. Tears filled his eyes again. Again now he is crying because of happiness. Earlier he cried because he was upset. He fell down. Now he is crying just because he is very happy. He smiled at his mother, who hugged him and said, you are the best son in the world. The mother came and hugged him and said, you are the best son in the world. You are the best son in the world. That's it. So Tarun has become the hero. Here Tarun's story reminds me of Derek Redmond, a British athlete. He held the British record of 400 meters race, won gold medal in 4 into 400 meters relay. But in 1992 Olympics in Barcelona, he lost in semi-finals because just before he was about to finish, means 150 meters away from the finishing line, he had some muscle pains. He could not go ahead. He lost in the race. Even though he was a failure there, he tried to overcome. He tried to finish the race. Somehow he finished the race. When he finished the race, all the people there in the gallery, the crowd stood up and clapped for his never giving up spirit. Now let us watch that video, please. That video of Derek Redmond. That was it. Okay, thank you. That's all.